Grand Rising. So today I want to talk about what are you supposed to do when something bad happens out of nowhere. You just say thank you. Say thank you. Something happens, your car breaks down, say thank you. There's a reason for it, trust me. If your roof starts leaking, say thank you. Every time you get a bill in the mail, say thank you. So what you're going to do is you're allowing your subconscious mind to find the solution for you, okay? And when you habitually do this, you're allowing your mind to go into autopilot, and it's going to start solving all these problems for you, okay? So from now on, next time you get that bill, your cell phone, electric, water bill, whatever bill it is, say thank you, thank you, thank you. That's a past blessing.